All right, so this is an interesting one, and I really want to share. I think it's kind of exciting. Guys, tell me in the comments, maybe I live under a rock and I didn't know this existed. I'm doing a review on the all-new 12 for 12 Moab 392. This vehicle literally is still in the wrapper. Like everything about this Jeep, like it came off the truck minutes ago, just to give you an idea. It's still in ship mode. If you don't know what ship mode is, the techs haven't even touched it yet. It only reaches certain speeds, doesn't even show you the heat and speedometer, etc. So I'm in the Jeep doing the video, and I noticed in the back seat there's this box. It's called the Jeep JL Doors Off Kit. Well, what the heck's a JL Door Off Kit? Well, guys, check this out. We've got a mirror. All right, well, no big deal. Then I'm looking at the mirror, and I'm like, man, those screw patterns, this mirror looks very similar to an old TJ, does it not? So if you know Jeeps, like look at that, that's a TJ. That would bolt onto the old door hinge on a TJ. This is a TJ mirror. And if you look in the part number here, Jeep TJ left-hand drive, right-hand assembly with a part number 2002208. I'm like, that is a TJ mirror, right? But now you've got this bracket attached to it with the little Jeep icon on it. And almost looks like it would mate to a door hinge pin. You got a hole here, and you got a clamp on the back. So check this out. So if the door were off, this would sit, I'm not going to scratch anything, this would sit on top of the hinge. There's a hardware that comes in from the hinge itself. This Torx bolt would get removed and go through that hole. And then on the back side where you see this clamp, it actually just kind of clamps back here behind the body. So you have a very easily assembled or attached set of mirrors when the doors are off. But I do think it's cool. We've got TJ parts on a JL. Who would have ever guessed you'd have parts from, I mean, what was the last time we made a TJ? 2006? On a 2026. 20 years later, we're sharing the same parts. So here's the manual. So it walks you through just like we talked, right? You're going to take off that one bolt, and then you've got some hardware to put in there, and then there's that clamp I talked about. I mean, these directions always make it look harder than it is, but hardware that's going to come through the hinge and then right into there, right? Pretty cool. So if you're looking for this, I'm going to figure out how much these are, but 685-28773AA. So it's possible I lived under a rock when it came to this OEM mirror kit, but I'm not going to lie, I have not seen this before.